Sell settings and strategies. What's more important than selling your assets? Maybe buying, but even so, in the end, it's the selling that gives you the profit or the loss. Here's what you need to know about your sell settings and strategies. In sell settings, take profit is where you can type in the target profit that you want a coin to hit before your hopper tries to sell them. As is always the case in trading, the lower your target profit, the more achievable it is. The next option is max open time sell, which lets you decide how long you want your hopper to try and sell a position before the order is cancelled. Just like when manually trading, your hopper might not always succeed in selling an asset. This may be in the case that the market is falling and there's a discrepancy of buyers. Then you might want your hopper to cancel the sell order and try again after this amount of time. The last option in sell settings is percentage higher ask, which allows you to sell at a higher amount than the current market price. If you're confident that the asset will go above its current market value, use this option. Moving on to sell strategy, sell based on strategy allows you to disregard your target profit, but rather sell based on your technical analysis. You can of course use the same analysis that you're using to buy assets to sell them. Next, hold assets when new target is the same stops your hopper from selling an asset that it believes it must also buy. This means your technical analysis is signaling that the coin might actually be rising more in the future, signifying that now is not the best time to sell for maximum profit. That's the essence of how you can sell, but there are so many more tools which prove invaluable for your hopper.